Hi. So I left Minnesota this morning, Minneapolis specifically, and I drove south. I had the only direction that I had was to go south to warmer climates because it was snowing and 30 degrees, and I want to get to Kansas City, but I had to stop to get some food in Des Moines, and I have a headlight out, so I'm taking it as a sign to sleep and then get the headlight fixed in the morning, or, I'll fix it. And then continue to Kansas City and have a day in Kansas City tomorrow. But now, here's the interesting part. The plan was to sleep in the van. Walmart and Iowa specifically says no sleeping in van, no sleeping in your car. But there is the culture of Walmarts, and Walmart has a listing of Walmarts in Iowa that you're not allowed to sleep at. The manager decides per Walmart, like per state has their different laws. Each Walmart has their different laws. Okay, so that was the plan, right? So I was gonna get to Missouri and sleep at a Walmart there, but I'm still in Iowa and I don't want to drive without the headlight. So there is a Walmart about 24 miles from me right now, downtown Des Moines, but it's not on the Do Not Sleep Walmart page, but it is in Iowa. So it's like this kind of like gray area. So I took to other options, which is couchsurfing.com. Woo! So chatting with a guy who's offering his couch, and yeah. And there was another piece. It's dropping below freezing tonight, and it might be smart for me to be indoors. I'm sure I do have a sleeping bag that's for 20-degree weather. I've got my blankets, my long johns, all the things, but yeah, couch surfing. F yes. Okay, that's the jam. That's the things going down in Des Moines, Iowa. Never been here. Had a great dinner, vegan smoothie bowl with some tofu yogurt. But different, cool, love different. That's what I'm out here, seeing all the different things. If you like, subscribe, the things, 3 minutes, that's it, every night. I love you. Mwah!